steadily your workflow. Everything you know, so you not stop, no time for your dear.
Now she got a 6-year-old trying